Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'll walk you through 3 quick steps to install a headband wig. The first thing I do is usually have my hair in some kind of plait using this hair tie. So I usually do that after washing. And so if you do this, it really protects the hair and doesn't put too much strain on it, which is great as a temporary hairstyle. And I usually secure it in place with some pins and it should look something like this. And then after that, my leave out, I will usually step 2, just have the leave out. I put a net on because you need to protect the hair from all the pins that comes with the headband wig. And then my leave out will usually be in some sort of 2-strand or 3-strand twist from the night before. This is usually my go-to if I'm going to church and I have my natural hair out, but I don't really know what to do with it. So this is where these headband wigs come in just clutch, and it comes with this tape in the back that you can just put in place and just secure it. And I usually just add some pins for extra hold. And then I can just start braiding my leave out, my real hair, or the part of the hair that's sort of going to blend in with the headband wig. And if you do that from the night before, I usually add some shea butter and it really helps. I don't add any gel at this point because I'm going to add some gel whilst I style it. Now the go-to here is a half up, half down. You just have to grab your own hair, which is the leave out, along with some of that headband wig because it blends in perfectly, which is why I usually get something that's very close to my natural texture. And I got this from Amazon. I'll leave the description or the link down below. And I usually don't add gel, but sometimes I use this pearl braid out glaze, which really holds the hair together. The trick here is to add a sizable amount, not too much, because sometimes it might start to flake. To prevent flaking, add a bit of oil to your hair and just blow it out like this. And after like 3 minutes of blow drying, I usually just put a scarf on it and give it about 10 minutes. This is what I do if I have to go to work or church and I don't have time. If I have all day, I'll probably just air dry it walking around the house or taking a walk or something. I usually just fluff it with a comb, and after like 10 minutes, you're good to go. This is really one of those hairstyles that I will usually go to. Like I said, if the natural hair is not hairing, we resort to this. All right, thank you. Bye.